So now let's see how we can create a fully SEO optimized article inside of ChatGPT. So in order to do that, you need to go around onto the Explore GPT section right here and then scroll down around over here. So once you go around and scroll down, you can go around and expand out the writing section right here. And over here, if I were to go around and do that, you can see that you have different options. And one of them is fully SEO optimized articles, including FAQs right here. So if I were to go around and click on Start Chat right here, just like this, and let's say I'm going to go around and write an SEO optimized content right here. So let's say, for example, I can say write an SEO optimized. So let me just go around and say SEO optimized SEO optimized article regarding 10 places to visit in New York right here, just like this. So if I were to go around and do that, you can see that it says to get access now right here. So you can see that it says 10 must visit places in New York City right here, just like this, and it optimizes out the article for SEO, and then you get the article right here, just like this, as you can see right here. So you get the table of contents, you get the introduction, you get the contents now right here, just like this. So all of these are based on SEO, and they are SEO optimized so that it becomes easily searchable on the web. So that is how you can create fully SEO optimized article plugin, and then generate out the articles as you like inside of ChatGPT. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.